In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms with Gemini. We'll connect your form to Gemini using a simple add-on so you can get AI help drafting questions, polishing wording, and speeding up your workflow. Start inside Google Forms, open the form you want to enhance, or create a new one, and make sure you're in the editor view. Confirm you're signed in with the Google account that owns the form or has edit access. That ensures you can install Workspace add-ons. Next, look to the top right corner of the Forms editor for the vertical three dots. That's the More menu. Click it to reveal additional options that aren't visible on the main toolbar. If your browser window is narrow, you may need to widen it slightly to see everything. From that menu, choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a panel or a new tab, where you can safely find extensions that work with forms. In the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type Gemini. Press Enter to see results related to Google's AI. You're looking for an option that integrates directly with forms, so it can assist while you build or refine questions. Select AI Assist for Gemini from the results. Opening the listing lets you review a short description, screenshots, and user ratings, which is helpful to confirm you've found the right tool. You can also scan the permissions section so you know what access the add-on needs to function. When you're ready, click Install. A few prompts may appear asking you to pick your Google account and grant permissions. Read them and continue. This is standard for Workspace add-ons. Installation typically takes only a moment. As soon as it finishes, the add-on displays a quick guide to help you get oriented. Follow that built-in guide to see how it suggests prompts, rewrites, or other AI-powered assistance inside your form. That's the entire setup. If you ever want to revisit the add-on after installation, remember that Google Forms keeps add-ons under the puzzle piece icon near the top of the editor, and many add-ons also add a sidebar you can open while you work. Finally, a couple of quick tips. Keep your browser updated for best performance, and if you collaborate with the team, let editors know the add-on is installed so everyone understands the new options they will see. And that's how to use Google Forms with Gemini through AI Assist. Thanks for watching and enjoy building smarter forms.